evaluate the Wrangler Rubicon 392. Big V8 in a Jeep, kind of like how Jeep was meant to be. At MRT, we've refined the factory exhaust system with our mid-section H pipe, giving it an H cross-section, little deeper, fuller sound. Okay, so there, I don't know if you picked up, but the initial start is aggressive, and then it goes away because I'm in quiet mode. We're gonna drive it a little bit in quiet mode around town, and then we'll open it up to the aggressive mode so you can get a difference in the feel. With this change, we're not changing any of the muffling of the stock muffler. So in the quiet mode that we're in now, it sounds pretty much exactly like it did before we made our change. Our change is going to be more noticeable in the performance mode. Alright, so just kind of going steady state, we will open up the exhaust. You can tell right away that we're in the performance sound of the exhaust. So around town with the performance mode, it's pretty good, deep, full sound. Not obnoxious, not something that is objectionable in my opinion at all. No boom or resonance at this driving speed. Really nothing to not like. I prefer hearing a V8. When the engine does go into displacement on demand, you do get a change in sound just like it did before. So that still is happening. Wide open throttle, and quite a bit different than the Turbo 4 or the V6 Wrangler. This one's got some cojones. Like I said earlier, this is the sound that matches Jeep in my opinion, so this is just a ton of fun to be in. Once you get out of the pedal, right, so I'm just kind of steady state, 50 miles an hour in traffic. I have exhaust presence, meaning I can hear it in the background, but it's not overwhelming. It's not taking over what's happening here. I'm still hearing some wind noise, some tire input, pretty much on balance. All right, now we're going to hop on the highway and see what our experience is with the aggressive sound, exhaust sound on the highway. Make sure that we don't have any bad sounds with the good sounds that we know we're getting already. Cruising on the highway, going uphill slightly, so a little bit of load. We are cruising at right at 2,000 RPM, 65 miles an hour. The displacement on demand just kicked in, so meaning that we're not firing on all 8 for fuel economy conservation. And wind noise, tire noise is right along with the exhaust presence. There's really no drone, no resonance, nothing objectionable, just a bit of a whir. Close the valves, now we just have wind noise and tire noise. So I think this modification is a real simple, good modification to wake up your 392 Wrangler just a little bit more than stock. Have a little bit more fun with it. Be tough when you want to be tough, and you still are a button push away from being quiet and conservative and maybe a little bit more stealth. Not that this truck is about stealth. So give us a call. I'll be happy to send you your version and go enjoy your Wrangler a little bit more.